Okay, so good morning, my dear students. We are discussing about the fifth assignment questions. So this question is solve the ordinary differential equation, that is ODE, given below to find y of 2.02 using Rangamutta method of fourth order. Take h equal to 0.01 and y of 2 equal to 2. Where the ordinary differential equation is e raised to y dy by dx equal to 17x. So please note the ordinary differential equation is given. So first we have to modify this equation as dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. Means we have to shift e raised to y to right hand side. So we have dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. Initial condition is given, that is y of 2 equal to 2, means x0 equal to 2 and y0 equal to 2. H is given. Actually, we are asked to find y of 2.02, but here h is equal to 0.01. Means by using Rangamutta method of fourth order, first we have to find y of 2.01 because h is equal to 0.01. Then we have to find y of 2.02. Okay. So please note, given x0 equal to 2 and y0 equal to 2. So what is f of x comma y? So please note the given equation is e raised to y dy by dx is equal to 17x. Okay. So we can move this e raised to y to right hand side. Right. So by moving this e raised to y to right hand side, we have 17x e raised to minus y. So this right hand side is nothing but f of x comma y. F of x comma y. So that is written here. F of x comma y is 17x e raised to minus y. Is it okay? So now, in order to find y of 2.01, because please note, we have already h equal to 0.01. So first we can find only y of 2.01. So we are going to apply the Rangamutta method. So what is K1? We have to find four parameters of Rangamutta fourth order, that is K1, K2, K3 and K4. Then we have to find K, that is equal to K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4 divided by 6. Then we have to find Y1. Okay. So what is K1? K1 is equal to h into f of x0 comma y0. That is equal to 0.01 into f of 2 comma 2. X is 2, y is 2. So after substituting x equal to 2 and y equal to 2, what we have? K1 is equal to 0.01 into 17 into 2 into e raised to minus 2. This part is f of 2 comma 2. So 0.01 into 17 into 2 into e raised to minus 2. So that is equal to 0.046. So K1 is equal to 0.046. Now we have to find K2. K2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus K1 by 2. What is x0? x0 is 2. What is h? 0.01 by 0.01. So we have to find x0 plus h by 2. That is 2 plus 0.01 divided by 2. Similarly, y0 is 2 here. What is K1? We already have K1, that is 0.046. Now divide by 2. So what is K2? K2 is equal to 0.01 into, that is h is 0.01 into f of, now x0 is 2 plus h by 2 is 0.01 divided by 2, that is 0.005, comma y0 is 2 plus k1 by 2. K1 by 2 is 0.046 by 2, that is 0.023. So we have 0.01 into f of 2.005, comma 2.023. So that is equal to 0.01 into, now what is f of x comma y? That is 17x e raised to minus y. So it will become 17 into 2.005 into e raised to minus 2.03. Okay, so that is equal to 0.0451. 0.0451. Okay, so now by using this, now we have K2 equal to 0.0451. Now find K3. What is K3? K3 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus k2 by 2. So that is equal to 0.01 into f of, this is 2, 2 plus 0.05, comma, now y0 plus k2 by 2. So that is 2 plus 0.0226. What is k2? K2 is 0.0451. So divided by 2 is 0.02255. So we are using 4 significant digits. So that one is rounded into 0.0226. So this is equal to, okay, this is 2. This is equal to 0.01 into f of 2.005, comma 2.0226. So that is equal to 0.01 into 17 into 2.005 into e raised to minus 2.0226. So that is equal to 0.045. So K3 is equal to 0.045. So now we have to find K4. K4 is equal to h of f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus K3. So that is equal to 0.01 into f of 2 plus 0.01, that is h is 0.01, comma 2 plus 0.0451. K3 is 0.0451. So that is substituted here. So K4 is equal to 0.01 into f of 2.01, comma 2.0451. So we can write it as 0.01 into 17 into 2.01 into e raised to minus 2.0451. So we have K4 is equal to 0.04. So now we have all 4 parameters of this method. So now we can find K is equal to 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. That is equal to 1 by 6 into 0.046 plus 2 into 0.0451 plus 2 into 0.0451 plus 0.0442. So that is equal to 0.045. So K is equal to 0.045. So now y1 is equal to y of 0.01. Please note x1 is x0 plus h, that is 2 plus 0.01, 2.01. So y1 is nothing but y of 0.01 equal to y0 plus k equal to 2 plus 0.0451 equal to 2.045. y1 is equal to 2.045. So now by using this y1 value, we have to find y of 0.0. This is actually 2.01. So we have to find, by using this value, we have to find y of 2.02. Okay, because here we already have y of 2.01. So now we are going to start the next equation. That is, we are finding y of 2.02. So please note, for this iteration, take x1 equal to 2.01 and y1 is equal to 2.0451, where h is equal to 0.0. So what is k1? K1 is equal to h into f of x1 comma y1, that is equal to 0.01 into f of 2.01 comma 2.045. Please note, we are finding y of 2.02, that is nothing but y of x2 equal to y2. We are finding y2, that is corresponding to the value of y at x equal to x. So that is why here we are substituting exponent y. So k1 is equal to 0.01 into 17 into 2.01 into e raised to minus 2.0451 equal to 0.044. So k1 equal to 0.044. Now k2. K2 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 by 2. So please note, if you are finding y of x2, this term will be x1 and this term will be y1. So please note that different. So k2 is equal to 0.01 into f of 2.01 plus 0.005 comma 2.0451 plus 0.022 equal to 0.01 into f of 2.015 comma 2.0672 equal to 0.01 into 17 into 2.015 into e raised to minus 2.0672 equal to 0.043. So K2 is equal to 0.043. Now K3 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2. So that is equal to 0.01 into f of 2.01 plus 0.005 comma 2.0451 plus 0.0217 equal to 0.01 into f of 2.015 comma 2.0666 equal to 0.01 into 17 into 2.015 into e raised to minus 2.0688 equal to 0.0434. So K3 is equal to 0.0434. Now the last parameter is K4, that is equal to h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3 equal to 0.01 into f of 2.01 plus 0.01 comma 2.0451 plus 0.0434 equal to 0.01 into f of 2.02 comma 2.0885 equal to 0.01 into 17 into 2.02 into e raised to minus 2.0885. So the value of K4 is 0.0424. K4 is 0.0424. So now we have all four parameters. So we can find K, that is equal to K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4 all divided by 6. So equal to 0.0442 plus 2 into 0.0433 plus 2 into 0.0434 plus 0.0425 all divided by 6 equal to K is equal to 0.0435. K is equal to 0.0435. So the new value of y2 is equal to y1 plus k equal to 2.0451 plus 0.0434 equal to 2.0885. Okay, so means the value of y at x equal to 2.02 is 2.0885. So this is the final answer.